Email marketing for beginners, how to make email marketing work for you. Lots of individuals would like to increase their company by utilizing email marketing, but they just do not know how this can be done. Marketing online through email can be easy and affordable. All it takes is a little bit of learning. Keep watching to learn more about email marketing and set goals that correspond to your business. Even though it should be obvious, it is important enough to state over and over: never send unsolicited emails. You should have explicit permission from everyone you send marketing emails to. This is about more than trying not to upset them. A recipient who considers your email spam can cause trouble for you with your service provider. Try engaging the customer using the subject line of the email. Your email must grab your watcher's attention the minute it lands inside of their inbox, otherwise it may go into their trash. If you have a weak or uninteresting subject line, that is exactly what will happen. So try spicing up your subject line with some creativity. It is important that your friendly form line is one that your subscribers will recognize. For example, do not have the CEO of your company sending the emails. The watcher may not know who it is from and just delete the email. In the subject line, put your business's name. You should get in touch with your subscribers at certain intervals and confirm with them that they are still interested in receiving emails from you. Most companies do this every 9 months so that they can be sure that they are not being seen as an annoyance. This will also guarantee that the people on your email list have genuine interest and are not just taking up space. Develop content that is interesting and informative to your customer base. The message should be engaging, and not filled with dry, boring content. The recipients are more likely to watch it all the way through if it is not too long. As they see that your content is relevant, your reputation will grow. Do not restrict yourself just to email marketing. As you identify your core clientele that trusts you, see if you can get phone numbers and physical addresses. Build on your relationships by expanding your communications with your loyal core base by contacting them through these mediums as well as email. Always make sure customers have a clear and concise way to opt out of emails at any time. They signed up with you because they wanted more information, and if at any time they wish to stop receiving that information, they should be able to opt out. It is only fair. You may find that it is a good idea to devote a small portion of every marketing email you send out to briefly reviewing what your subscribers can expect from you. By demonstrating that you have a plan for your emails and you are sticking to it, you can encourage your watchers' trust and make them less likely to grow tired of your messages. Try following up to your clients with a FAQ section. Include a link onto your email that says to click here to view the frequently asked questions in order for them to have a better understanding of your company. The concluding postscript could inform them to make sure they see you in action. You might want to consider following up to your clients with some type of surprise bonus that you are providing them. Include a link on your email that tells them to click on it. The concluding postscript could inform them that they can get all the details on this by clicking on the provided link, while extra graphics and other things that can easily be blocked by filters are unnecessary and detrimental to your campaign. Your company logo does need to be included in order to make things consistent, familiar, and professional when you are in contact with prospective customers. Failure to do this will harm your email marketing campaign immensely. Keep mobile users in mind when choosing the size of your message. You might be composing your emails on a monitor that has 4 or even 5 times the available pixels that a smartphone user has. Send your messages small or scalable so that everyone can watch them easily and quickly. When utilizing email marketing, make sure that you never spam your customer's inbox. One of the quickest ways to lose the trust of your customer is to send spam to his or her email address. To make sure your marketing practices fall within mandated regulations, thoroughly watch the Can Spam Act. Make use of pre-headers in your marketing emails. Certain email clients, the more advanced web-based ones in particular, display a short summary for each email in the inbox. This is the pre-header. It is easy to set up. Clients generate pre-headers from the first line of text in the message. Compose your emails accordingly. Make your emails focus on your audience, not yourself. Your customers are the ones that make your campaign a hit or a failure. Be a great resource to them and try to do what you can to include feedback from them. This can be with polls, comments, etc. Getting them engaged may help you build beneficial relationships for your business's future. Don't send out your email messages during major sales holidays. While this may seem counterintuitive, unless you are selling consumer products, your customers just aren't interested in your product that time of year. In addition, it is likely to get buried in all of the other marketing messages they are receiving. Holidays are an important consideration when it comes to email marketing plans. Plan for these opportunities well in advance. Use shopping holidays as an opportunity to develop targeted campaigns. Good times to do this would be Christmas or Valentine's Day. You can better your sales by marketing in the slower periods of the year. Many business owners are intrigued when it comes to the idea of email marketing, but they just don't know how to get started. Email marketing can be a key component to the success of any business. The tips above can help your business create an email marketing strategy that is successful.